6.01 discussion, conic sections and modeling. Circles can start with just a bit of information and grow into equations and graphs. You've got a couple things to read here and I will go through them. First, you're going to draw a circle in Desmos using this circle equation, x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. Your radius cannot be 1 and your center cannot be at 0, 0. You're going to label the center and state the radius. You're going to paste the image into the discussion post. Include your equation, and your name must be on the first line to get credit. So this is all for number 1 for half of the points, and I will show you how to do this. So I put my name in this first line, and you can either type in your equation or you can start using the general equation. So we have x minus h, close parenthesis, I'm hitting the squared button, plus y minus k, quantity squared, squared button, equals r squared. Now, how did I get the h and the k and the r? I used my keyboard. So you can use your keyboard and type in there. Now you can use the sliders or you can just rewrite the equation, but I need the equation written. So I'm going to just use my center at 2, 5, and my radius I'll say is 6. All right, so let's put this down. I want you to label the radius also. Label the center. So I can put in, bring this back up. I don't have this left parenthesis for some reason. Okay, and then it's 2, 5, close parenthesis, label it. That's my center. My radius, I'm going to type it in there. All right, my radius is 6. So this is everything you need to snip. So you take a snip of the whole thing. I need to see your equation, your h and k, which is your center, right? 2, 5 is your center right here. And my radius is 6. And I can even count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My radius is 6. And you need to put this onto your discussion post. Please don't send it as an attachment. You're going to just take a snip and then paste it in the discussion board. So this is all done. We've done this. The next step on the discussion board, you're going to type the circle equation that includes your center and radius. So I want you to type this in. So what you're going to take is this equation, and you're going to plug in your h and your k and your radius, and I need you to square the radius. And then you're going to type that in. So I need you to type this equation in. So you're going to have a picture with a snip with all the information. You're going to type in your equation. You can also type it in on Desmos. So you could go down to this line and type it in this spot right here. So you're going to plug in your h and your k radius, and you're going to square that number. So I don't want you to show me the radius and a square. I want you to actually square the number. You're going to then check 2 other students' work and comment. Remember, be polite if they have an incorrect item. Reading directions is important. Be sure to complete each step above for full credit. Be sure to check back regularly. Oops, I have this in here twice, don't I? Be sure to check back regularly to participate in the discussion with your fellow students and teacher.